Hello again. I wanted to show you an amazing app for your computer called TweetDeck. Now, you can't download new stuff to your computer, so you are going to have to go to the library and speak with Ms. Fry to get help with this. But let me tell you, it's going to make your life on Twitter so much more awesome. It will be totally worth it. So TweetDeck is an app that lets you create columns for specific things you want to follow on Twitter. Because Twitter moves so fast, and in 5 seconds, my screen's going to update again with all new tweets. So this is my regular Twitter feed, my home feed, and it's just everybody that I follow all mixed together. It's changing all the time. It moves really, really quickly. And it would be really hard for me to find something um, just from the New York Times if I'm just looking at my home feed because everything's all mixed up. But there are certain websites and certain writers that I want to follow all the time. So I set up a column for them. You can see that I have made a column for a specific hashtag I'm following. There's a column for my notifications, like when someone likes or retweets or mentions me. There's a column for that. These are the things that I'm tweeting. I follow Ms. Marchetti because I want to see all the stuff that she's tweeting. These are all teacher Twitter chats that I follow, but it's a way for me to sort of filter out. The teacher stuff I want the most is stuff from English Language Arts chat, English chat, and the Teach Writing chat. This is another user I'm following. This is a writer that I love, Linda Holmes from NPR. So I have a specific column just for her so that at any time I can see what she wrote 25 minutes ago, or I can see what she tweeted 2 hours ago. The New York Times I gave a column to. Vulture is like a pop culture website whose writing is very, very smart. If you're into TV, fashion, books, film, you might want to follow them. The New Yorker, the AV Club is another kind of film, television, video games. There are lots of video games reviews on AV Club. The Paris Review is a literary journal. 538 is a news site, but they have lots and lots of data. Most of the data notebook times that I give you are from there. Heinemann Publishing is my publisher, other Heinemann authors, and then this is just another chat I was following. So you can have as many columns as you want to have, which is pretty awesome. The way that you would add them, I can close this. That's when I want to send a tweet from TweetDeck. You would go to this search guy, this little micro magnifying glass search. You would put in something that you want to follow. So maybe I want to follow the Washington Post. And look, I'm already following them. It's going to bring them up. I already follow them. If I wasn't, I could choose. Oh, I am. There we go. I'm following them. And then I can go to user. And I can see everything they've tweeted. And if like, yes, this is a website that I want to follow, just click add column. And that's going to make a column for just everything the Washington Post tweets so that it's really easy for me to come over here and find it. Now, I showed you earlier, I follow almost 1,000 people on Twitter, and I have, how many? 20. I have 20 different columns, which is kind of a lot, I think. It's my 20 most important. So this would be a really good way for you to read digitally using Twitter because you can just create a column for each blog, each writer, each site, each celebrity that you really want to keep very close eye on. Set up a column for them, and then that makes your reading so much easier. Let me know if you need any help with this. Like I said, you're going to have to go to Ms. Fry, but I've already sent her an email and said that it's great and fine and wonderful for my students to have this app, and she can help you get set up.